Hey guys, my name is Moon, and today I'll be unboxing my one and only Kyrie tooth. So, let's go. So this is the actual box of it. See right there, it says Kyrie Irving 2, because these are the Kyrie 2s. We have Nike right there. We have the Kyrie logo on the back. And we have, the price and size and stuff. It's a Kyrie 2 GS. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, so let's go look at the shoes. Now these shoes, when I picked them up, they look so good. I wanted them, so I got them. Really, holy crap! Did you see these shoes? Those are the shoes. I really like this more than any of my shoes. More than my LeBrons, literally. I like this more than my LeBrons, Curry's, and Jordans, literally. That's how much I like these shoes. So, yeah. Oh, jeez. So now I'm going to show you actually the whole thing. This is like that side. We have the Nike logo right there. And we have the thing. Bless me. Bless me. And we got this cool little pattern here on the back of the shoe. And we got like this, I don't know, hashtag R thing. And we've got this side that looks sick. And then the bottom, that's what's cool. It's like a blue, it's really nice. It's like a cool blue, and then we got the red Kyrie logo. So if you guys enjoyed, leave a like and peace out.